Hi guys, welcome back. In this video, I'll be explaining arithmetic main. In the last video, I explained how you can find the nth term of an arithmetic progression. So given the nth term, you can use it to find all other terms. And I told you that when you have an arithmetic progression, which is same thing as arithmetic sequence or linear sequence, then your first term is represented as A. So, and your common difference, which is the constant, so it's represented as what? So, as D. Your common difference is equal to D. And we obtained that the last term or the nth term of an arithmetic progression is nothing but A plus N minus 1, N plus N minus 1 is equal to D, where your A is what? A is the first term, so your N is the number of terms and your D is the common difference. So, and D is the common difference. So, but in this video, I'm going to explain what is arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean, in your primary school, or let me say in your junior secondary school, you will have come across what is known as mean. Remember, mean is one of, the measure of central tendency. That is when you want to find the central tendency, the average of numbers, then you calculate the mean. And if you don't forget the mean is what? Is sum of x divided by n. And this is denoted by x bar. So if you use the idea of this mean, if you apply it to an arithmetic mean, when we see arithmetic mean, it's a sequence in which the consecutive, that is, if you have like an arithmetic progression, for example, if I have SYZ to be an arithmetic, if SY is an arithmetic progression, sorry, if an arithmetic progression or arithmetic sequence, you understand now, and they are consecutive terms. They are a consecutive term of that AP. Your middle number here, which is y, so is the arithmetic mean. Are you getting that now? So your y is what? Is the arithmetic mean of what? Is the arithmetic mean of s and y. So y is the arithmetic mean of s and y. And how is that obtained? Remember what I called mean. If you want to find the mean of two numbers, say A and B, their mean will be what? That is the sum of that two number divided by the number 2. That's summation x divided by n. You understand that if you want to find the mean of 10 numbers, you add them, all the 10 numbers together divided by 10. So if that is cleared, it means my arithmetic mean now, given that my sequence, my consecutive, I mean, terms are consecutive and they are S, Y, Z, then my Y, which is the arithmetic mean, based on this idea, is going to be S plus Z divided by 2. So it's going to be S plus Z divided by 2. So that is half of the sum of the what? Of the two terms, that is the upper one and the lower one. You understand now? So can I prove that for you? It is not difficult to prove. You will see that when we after I finish the proof, you will see clearly that y is just an arithmetic mean of s and z. Okay, let us do that. Recall that our consecutive terms are x, y, z. So if that is the case, since it is an arithmetic progression, then it means we have constant term as the what? As the common difference. So it means I can say that y minus x, if I subtract x from y, that will give me my common difference, recall. Likewise, you say your z minus y, that's also going to give you the common difference. You understand that? You will see that this is difference, this is also difference. If you are bearing two names, it means when they call any of the name, you are going to answer. So since this, this is D, this is also D, Then we can conclude adequately that my y minus x, what we are doing is to prove my y minus x is equal to z minus y. You understand now? If you collect the like time, this will be y plus y is equal to z plus x. You understand now? So it's equal to z plus x. So which will give you 2y is equal to z plus x, and your y will now be z plus x divided by 2. So and your y is equal to z plus x divided by 2, or x plus z divided by 2, because addition is what? Addition is commutative. So you will see that we arrive at what I said we are going to have here. In essence, when you say arithmetic mean, so then arithmetic mean of a sequence, I mean, is the sum of the, if you have three consecutive terms, the sum of the first and third term divided by the middle, divided by 2. So let me give you an example to back it up so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Example, example, find the arithmetic mean of 20 and 26. That's very simple, isn't it? So then your arithmetic mean will just be 20 plus 26 divided by 2. That's 46 divided by 2, which is equal to what? Which is equal to 23. So it is as simple as that. So let me give you another example to back it up. Example, if the three consecutive terms if the three consecutive terms if the three consecutive terms of an AP are s plus 4, 2s plus 8, and 12, find the value of x. It's not difficult to do. So you have your consecutive term to be x plus 4. So you have it to be x plus 4, 2x plus 8, then you have 12. Don't forget, from the property of arithmetic mean, so then we can say that, the middle number here, the middle term here, which is 2x plus 8, is the same thing as the sum of these two guys, the first and the third, 2x plus 4 plus x plus 12 divided by 2. You understand? If you cross multiply or you multiply through by 2, then I'm going to have 2 into 2x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus 4 plus 16, plus 12, sorry. So then this will give you 2x plus 8 is equal to 2x plus what? Plus 16, because 4 minus 12 is 16. So if you collect the like terms, yeah, I think something is actually wrong. This is s plus 4, sorry, not 2s plus 4. This is s plus 4. Sorry about the marker. So if you collect the like time, this will give you 2s minus x is equal to what? 16 minus 8. Then s will give you what? So s is going to give you 8. S is going to give you 8. Let me check it again. Oh, we've made mistake. So you have 2s plus 8, s plus 4 plus 12. Then we cross multiply. Oh, sorry, this is 16. This is 16 as well. Yeah, this is 16. After crossing doing a cross multiplication. Sorry, the marker is really confusing. So, and this is going to give me x plus 16. You understand? So if you see that this actually cancel this, if you collect the like time, this will give you 2x minus s equal to 0, which implies that your s equal to 0. So which implies that s equal to 0. So that is as simple as that. That is as simple as that. So if that is cleared, let me give you another example. Sorry about the marker. It's really disturbing. Number 3, if 8x y minus 4 are in AP, find x and y. Find x and y. This is not difficult to do. You can actually use what? So the principle of arithmetic mean to solve this as well. So or you use your common difference to solve it. Whichever you use, you are going to obtain, the same answer. Remember, for arithmetic progression, if you have 3 consecutive terms like this, then the middle one, which is s, here is same thing as the sum of the first and the last one divided by 2. So then this is like 2s equals to 8 plus y, which is same thing as 2 minus y is equal to 8. You understand? Likewise, if you consider the last 3 consecutive terms as well, then you can as well say y is the same thing as what? S plus 4 divided by 2. S plus 4 divided by 2. Maybe you call this equation 1. Then from here you can say put y is equal to what? If you don't want to do that, you can solve simultaneously, but I think this you can just put y to be s plus 4 over 2 in equation 1 and just solve it directly. But if you like, you can make it in terms of quadratic equation so that you solve it. At the end of the day, you are still going to arrive at the same result. You are going to arrive at the same result. Okay, now let's continue. So then I have y is equal to s plus 4 divided by 2. If I put that in equation 2, that'll be equation 1. What is my equation 1? So my equation 1 here, in my equation 1, I have what? So in my equation 1, I have 2x minus y is equal to 8. Then my y is s plus 4 divided by 2. Then I'm going to have 2s minus s plus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 8. Then I'm going to have, if you like, you can multiply through by 2. Multiply through by 2. Then I'm going to have 4x. So 4x, 2 will cancel 2 here, then minus into s plus 4 is equal to 16. Minus into s plus 4 is equal to 16, and that will give you 4x minus 4 is equal to 16. So if you collect the like times, this one will give you 3x is equal to 16 plus what? Is equal to 16 plus 4. Is equal to 16 plus 4. I think I've actually made a mistake. So if you multiply through, this is 4x minus x minus 4 is equal to 16. Then this is 3x is equal to 16 plus 4. There is actually an error somewhere. Maybe from what I'm trying to substitute here. So because here I have that my y, let me check what I'm doing now. Perhaps I mistakenly copied something. So let's see. So let's see. Here's the question. So yeah, I think the problem is, well, let's continue. Let's continue. So if that is the case, the marker is making me to make mistake. So then you have 3x is equal to 16 minus 4. This is 16 minus 4, 16 plus 4. This is minus 3x minus 4 is equal to 16. That is 3x equal to 16 plus 4, which implies that x is equal to 20 divided by 3. X is equal to 20 divided by 3. Then you can now substitute the value of x into your y. Recall here that your y is what? You have your y to be what? So recall your y is, I'm looking for it. The system is kinda slow. So you have that your y equals to what? Your y is equal to x plus 4 divided by 2. You understand now? Then that's going to be half into 20 divided by 3 plus 4, which is going to give me 10 over 3 plus 2. You understand how I obtain that? Then your LCM will be 3. 3 in 3, that is 1, that is 10 plus 6, that's 16 divided by 3. Then you can conclude adequately now that your y is equal to 16 divided by 3 and x is equal to 20 divided by 3. So thank you, and I'm sorry for the fuck up of the pen. So that's how you are going to find the arithmetic mean. At this one, you have three consecutive terms. The middle number is half of the what? The sum of the first and the third term. So if you understand this, please don't forget to click on like, share, and subscribe button. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.